Welcome to the Alinity Overview series. In this series, we'll demonstrate how Alinity can simplify and streamline administrating your professional regulatory body. Cloud-based and responsively designed, Alinity displays beautifully on any PC, Mac, or mobile device. And because it's a software framework, it can be customized to handle any regulatory authority workflow. As part of your duty to protect the public safety, your regulatory body likely reviews the competence claims of its membership. The competence audit workflow involves many different processes, including requiring audited members to provide supporting documentation for their annual continuing competence claims. It's important to note that Alinity audit forms and the registrant-facing interface can easily be configured to reflect your brand identity and workflow. What you're seeing here is just a demonstration. At this point, the registrant has arrived at the secure online portal by following the link provided in the audit notification email that was sent out using Alinity's built-in correspondence functions. This registrant has decided to access the portal using their tablet. The registrant logs in using the email and password combination they signed up with. The registrant's dashboard displays all of the registrant's most relevant information at a glance, such as their past and current licenses, which they can download or print out as they see fit. In our experience, many colleges and regulatory authorities prefer to require registrants to make changes to their personal information through the administration. However, if your college allows it, your members may be able to access and change their profile information from this screen as well. For now, we're going to continue along with this workflow and update the audit. The audit form is now displayed for the registrant to work through and has been automatically populated with the information and learning objectives they declared during their renewal or application. Alinity is highly customizable, but we've made a special effort in the case of member-facing forms. Forms can be reconfigured, formatted, and otherwise deeply customized to include your wording, layout, colors, and branding. In this example, the registrant is undergoing a complete audit, so they are required to provide detailed information. Not all audit forms need to be this in-depth, and different audit forms and types can be easily configured. Here, drop-down boxes allow registrants to declare the month their learning took place, the learning transfer that resulted from the education, and the impact it had on their practice. There is also a text entry box that allows them to further reflect upon their learning. Registrants can also upload documents and images directly into the audit form. They can either choose to take a picture with their device's camera or upload one from the device or their own cloud drives. For this example, we allow a maximum of 2 documents to limit the amount of documents needed to be reviewed by committee, but you can allow as many or as few as your organization requires. The registrant will complete each of these tasks for each declared learning objective. Along the way, helpful information tips provide additional direction about what each field should contain. The process is the same for each objective, so we'll just fast forward through the remainder of filling out this audit. Once the audit form is filled out, the registrant will be asked to read and accept the declaration at the bottom. If, for some reason, the registrant isn't ready to submit, they can choose Save the Audit for later completion at any point. Otherwise, they're ready to submit. In order to maintain accuracy and promote completeness of records, Alinity automatically performs data validation on the audit forms to make sure required fields aren't missing information or are otherwise unable to be processed. It automatically highlights the areas of the form that require attention so that the registrant can easily find and correct them before resubmitting. Now that the registrant has submitted the completed audit, it's time for the administration to review the audit. For more information on how Alinity can help streamline managing your audits, watch the next video in this series.